my first official trip to California. It was absolutely amazing there. I love the atmosphere. As soon as I exited the plane, I was in love. It's like exactly what you think it will be. I waited at the airport for my cousin to come get me because I would be staying with his girlfriend. This is my cousin's friend, Jimmy. He was so helpful on this trip. He knows so much about cameras, equipment, and how to edit. I got so many tips from him. This is my cousin Fitzroy. I love him so much and I appreciate him. So let's jump into day one of BeautyCon. I'm gonna walk you guys through it. When you first enter BeautyCon, it is overwhelming. There are so many people here and it's a great atmosphere. I didn't feel like intimidated or scared to be around so many people. Normally I'm really shy, but I felt like this atmosphere was so inviting. Once you really got comfortable, people would come up to me. I met so many people here that follow me and support me, and it was so amazing to see, you know, some creators just walk the floor. This was my first time meeting one of my slayers. It was fun. I actually met a slayer in the bathroom, but I didn't get that on footage. They were really sweet, like I said, and it was just so crowded and packed. But once I saw a lot of the creators that I follow just walking the floor, I felt like I knew them. I didn't feel the need to just run up to them unless I was really just fangirling. It just felt like they were human, because when you watch creators on YouTube or the TV, like, you feel this distance, but I feel like BeautyCon brings you closer. It brings the creators down to earth, and I really love that about this atmosphere. That was one thing that was so worth it to me. Now, I did get the style hauler pass, and that pass was $200. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys the big bag that I received. This pass included just getting, you know, goodies. That was it. The general admission one was the one I should have went with, because you can see your creators, your favorite creators, just walking around. You don't have to wait in line for the meet and greets. You don't have to pay $200 for the meet and greets. So that's something that I would do next year, is not so much worry about, you know, getting the styler or the social pass. So I think I could have stuck with the general admission, because I'm not really a makeup girl, so the goodies were nice, but I think I just liked being in the atmosphere. So next year, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, they did have a lot of food booths outside. I didn't know this place was so big. I was walking around for maybe 30 minutes straight just seeing whatever they had. It's so huge, and in a certain area it leads to double doors and you can walk outside, and they have food trucks, which I think is really smart. While I was walking around, I met Amber and I almost died. Hi. Oh my god, I met Amber. Hold on. It's a moment. Hi guys. This is the other queen of DIY.
Hi.
This is Shay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Can I have a picture with you?
Yeah, of course. Let's take one.
Oh my, how do you?
I've never used that.
So after about 30 minutes, I met a friend, and I was so excited because I did go by myself.
Yes, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous. I am sort of too, that's fine.
You're not a loner.
I mean, we have each other now, so.
Yay! Because we're the two best friends. This cute slayer that was just following me around. She was super sweet. Oh wait, I don't know how to work this. I'm not a vlogger. How do these vloggers do this?
I don't know, and I don't know how they have the patience to do it every day, but like...
Can you vlog me? Like, on my outfit?
Yeah. Little OTD moment. What are you wearing? Yes. Yes. Work. Yes. So my outfit was thrifted, and I got it from Park Avenue Thrift and Goodwill, and the shoes are from Forever 21, so it's pretty simple. Man, do a twirl. Do a twirl. This beautiful girl come over to him, and it's his close friend. She was killing it. What's your name?
Athena.
You look good.
Shay.
It's nice to meet you, Shay. I love your hair. Everything, yes, you look gorgeous. So, how are you feeling about BeautyCon today?
I feel like really nervous.
You guys?
Yes, of course.
I'm not a celebrity.
I don't want her. You're pretty.
Go.
Oh, wait, yours too. One more. One look at the left first.
Official.
And I love her.
Thank you so much. It was so nice to meet you.
Yellow dandelion. No,
Can I
it's
get
a
your
sunflower. Yes.
So this is Slayers. She's absolutely stunning. She's a music artist and I loved her energy.
Zira. Look at this. Yes. Oh my God.
Yes.
Yes, honey. Okay, who made this?
This is made by Obsessed, the DIY fetish company
We love a DIY, bitch.
that represents LGBTQ in New York.
All right, say your name, your handle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. My name is Slay Riz, aka K Riz, aka the Filipino princesa, aka Persuasion Mother.
So I had to leave my new friend to get outside of my box and my comfort zone. This is why I came here. I was on a mission.
May the force be with you. The force? Yes. May the force, because that's the strongest thing right now you got on your side, girl. Alright. The strongest thing. Bye.
So I met another Slayer. I was so excited.
Oh, girl, I wear sneakers. Oh my God.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
How do you find all these products?
Oh, girl, cheap.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you will remake Kim Kardashian's outfit for like $5. I'm like, how?
I love you. Hi, how are you?
I be trying to go thrifting to be like her. I can't do it.
Thank you. I love
having all your style.
After I left the Slayer, I saw the set and I just had to take a picture.
What are you wearing, girl?
Top from Mesh.
Cute.
Pants from Pretty Little Thing.
Cute. Let me see the shoes.
Ski
Are they-
pattern.
Are they comfortable?
They're not.
They're not.
But you gotta fake it sometimes.
So after 2 years, I finally met Jayde in person. We follow each other. I love her so much. She's so sweet.
I don't know what to do. I didn't.
Focus on us.
I think this. You look here. Okay.
Hi guys.
I finally met my baby.
So good to see her. She is so talented.
Aww.
Honestly, you are.
Thank you. I love you.
And I finally met this goddess. She's so freaking beautiful and so nice. Oh my god. I loved her energy.
Beautiful woman right here. Finally.
I know. Okay, let me get an outfit shot of you. Tell them what you're wearing.
I'm wearing Fashion Nova,
Okay.
top and bottom.
Okay. Shoes?
Shoes, Charlotte Russe?
Are they heels?
No.
No.
Class girl, class.
Okay, let's take a picture.
So day 2 was a wrap and my cousin Fitzroy picked me up and we all got something to eat. Today is the day I show you guys what the red carpet is like.
Okay, so this is what the red carpet looks like, or the pink carpet. It's pretty small. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but so far, I think it gives us a better view of like the creators. So I'm waiting for Jackie.
While I was waiting, I met this beautiful girl, Savannah, and we hung out by the red carpet to see, you know, who was gonna walk it, and it was so fun hanging out with her.
I don't know where I got this. I got this at
I saw Lala on the red carpet. She was doing a lot of interviews and she looked so beautiful there. And what was really funny is her friend, Blame It On Quay, TT, he was in his character and he got into it with one of the paparazzi or photographers. It was absolutely hilarious. Like, he got so upset at him and he wouldn't take his picture. And this is Chris Brown's daughter. She's so tiny in person, and obviously that's his mom. I'm not sure who the other young girl is, but she was so tiny and so cute. She looks just like her dad. We got to see Chantel Jeffries. Savannah was waiting for her. That was the one person she wanted to see. She loves her so much, and She's actually really tiny in person. I'm like 5'6". I think she's a little bit shorter than me, and she's wearing heels, so yeah, and she was so tiny. We saw Latoya Forever there. She was also really cute. Then we saw Nima Tang, and she looked absolutely amazing. Like, her outfit was on point, makeup, hair, everything. And while that was going on, like, I really wanted to wait for Jackie. I didn't end up seeing her. But Kim Kardashian hit the stage and everybody ran. I couldn't even find any place to stand. It was completely packed. Like, oh my gosh, people were going crazy. But I still just wanted to look at the red carpet, I'm not gonna lie. I saw Bretman Rock. His personality is literally the same in person as it is on camera. I was watching him do interviews. He was so energetic and so, like, I don't know, like, he had a good energy about him, I can tell. I saw Denzel Dion and his sister. They looked really nice. I think we parked really close to them, so I saw them when we were walking in for day 2. After I hit up the red carpet and I walked around for a little bit, I made this day really short. I was super tired, so I decided to get my hauler gift bag. I didn't get any footage of like what was inside of it because I kind of just took everything out. And I met up with my friend for one last time. He was so nice. Like, I ended up exchanging numbers with him. He was so sweet. And this is what it kind of looks like on the inside. You definitely get your money's worth. A lot of full-size products from Urban Decay, L'Oreal, Maybelline, I think they had CoverGirl, they had Palmer's, they had so many things, and eyelashes, and a whole bunch of masks that I might end up using on my channel, and I was just ready to go, I'm not gonna lie. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. To like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time, bye!